Really again?
Nissan Sentra. It's radically redesigned with zero-gravity seats, a quilted leather interior, and it has the most standard safety features in its class.
So, no compromise then. Okay.
Refuse to compromise with the all-new Nissan Sentra.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for eastern Lafayette County in south central
Shoot!
Wisconsin, central Greene County,
Tornado warning!
Wisconsin, until 2 p.m.
Oh no.
At 1:22 p.m. a thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Darling River, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Issued a tornado warning for eastern Lafayette County in south central Wisconsin, central Greene County in south central Wisconsin. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
I'm gonna go
Storm will be near
downstairs.
Argyle and Blanchardville around 1:45 p.m. New Glarus and Monticello around 2 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lita, Stone Lake Park, Attica, Calamine, Lemont, Woodford, Jordan Center, Fayette, Dayton, and Gratiot. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is No Weather Radio.